This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. If you encounter high CPU usage on your system due to the PhoneExperienceHost.exe process, then don't worry. I will guide you through the resolutions. Since the process is associated with the Phone Link app, we will troubleshoot accordingly. The first solution is to reset and repair the Phone Link app. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Apps tab in the left pane. In the right pane, select Installed Apps. The list of apps will need a few seconds to load. Scroll down to the Phone Link app. Since the list is in alphabetical order, it will be easy to find. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. Click on Repair to repair the application. Then click on Reset to reset the application. The second solution is to terminate the PhoneExperience.exe process in the Task Manager. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on the application to open it. Right-click on the Phone Link process. Select End Task. The third solution is to prevent the Phone Link app from running at startup. This can be done as follows. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on the application to open it. Go to the Startup Apps tab on the left pane. In the right pane, right-click on the Phone Link app. It might need a few seconds to load the list. Select Disable to disable Phone Link at startup. The fourth solution is to disable the Phone Link application from running at startup. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Apps tab in the left pane. In the right pane, select Installed Apps. The list of apps will need a few seconds to load. Scroll down to the Phone Link app. Since the list is in alphabetical order, it will be easy to find. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select Advanced Options. In the Background Apps Permission section, change the option in the drop-down menu to Never. If everything else fails, you can uninstall the Phone Link application. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated PowerShell window. Scroll down to solution number 5 of the original article. Copy the command line mentioned there. Paste it in the elevated PowerShell window. Hit Enter to uninstall the Phone Link application. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.